Assalamu alaikum everyone and good afternoon to all. I'm Habiba Sheikh and I'm really excited to express my perspective with you guys today. Ladies and gentlemen, no one can change your life. Nobody is interested in changing your life. Their own is a mess, so how can they change yours? You must do it yourself. You have the power. You have the power to choose whether to remain lazy or to do something meaningful in life. You can be lazy and wait for someone, but can you wait forever? No, right? Get this out of your head that somebody can help you to achieve your goal. If you want to find solution of your problem, you will find it. It doesn't mean the solution doesn't exist. It exists and you know it inside your heart that only action can help you to achieve your goal. Nobody cares if you're lazy or not. Nobody cares if you're good or not. Why would they care? Nobody cares. It will be better if you do things for yourself. You must find time. It is easier to sit on the sofa and watch TV than to go for a walk. It is easier to scroll on social media than to read a book. Do you know our mind always goes toward the easy option? But you need to change. You need to choose the best one and not the easy one. Your future is in the hand of your present actions. Don't ever think about the past. It's already gone. Speed is necessary if you want to move forward with your life. You cannot sit there and keep thinking about the mistakes. And mistakes are not bad as you think. It's okay if you made a mistake. When you're doing something, mistakes are bound to happen. It's normal. But you must take responsibility for all the mistakes you do. You are responsible for all the actions you do. And if mistake happens, learn from it and just move on. Don't waste your time on it. Learn from the past. But don't even have too much control over your life. Learn from your mistakes. There is nothing wrong in making mistakes. But if you keep repeating the same error, there is something wrong. Don't be stupid. Neither love or hate your mistake. If you hate your mistake, you'll become fearful of it. You'll start overthinking. It will destroy your peace of mind. And it will not allow you to take any action. And if you love your mistake, you'll start making more. Because you attract what you love, right? So in closing, if mistake happens, learn from it, don't waste your time. And if you're not moving forward, you're making a second mistake. Keep it on mind. And I'll leave you guys with a quote said by Giorgio Brennan that is, success doesn't consist in never making mistake, but in never making the same one in the second time. Thank you. May your day be filled with a lot of happiness.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace be upon all of us and very good evening, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I am Mastan Ahmad Tampa of Class 1 at Manipur Creative School. Today, I am going to deliver a short speech on the topic value of time. Time and time wait for none. This proverb is a well known to everyone. Time is one of the most valuable and precious things in our life. If we cannot manage it wisely, it will be lost for us. Student life is a power of learning. We should manage and use the time productively in order to succeed in our life. Managing our time effectively will lead our future in a fruitful and prosperous way. Time will not wait for everyone, nor it will reverse. So let's manage our time carefully. Thank you, Jazakallah khair once again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Have a nice day. Wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and good afternoon everyone. I myself, Alfia of Class 8, as a student of Manipur Creative School, and she is my friend Usmani. Today we will do English conversation, and the topic is women empowerment. Let's start. Hi, how are you? I'm doing well, Usmani. What about you?
I'm good too. I was thinking about something. I wanted your opinion.
Sure, what's on your mind?
It's about women empowerment. It's such a broad topic. I wonder if we are doing enough as a society to support it.
That's an important topic, Usmani. Women empowerment is essential, but there's still a long way to go. One specific aspect are you thinking about?
For instance, equal opportunity in education and workplace. About how things have improved, many women still face barriers.
That's true. Education is the foundation. If girls don't have access to quality education, it limits their opportunities. And in the workplace, we still see wage gaps and limited representation in leadership roles.
Exactly. But do you think cultural and society have also role in this?
Absolutely. In many communities, traditional expectation is still restrict women's choice. They are often prioritize family over career or personal ambitions.
True. How do you think we can change those now?
It starts with awareness and education. But men and women need to understand that empowering women benefits everyone.
That's a good point. I think men should be more involved for advocating women's rights.
Definitely. Women empowerment is not just a women issue, it's a societal one. Men need to be allies, whether it at home, in the workplace, or in policy making.
Do you feel progress? It has a satisfactory pace.
Progress is happening, but it's slow. Movements like women marches and campaigns for gender equality are creating awareness, but there's still resistance in some part of the world.
That's true, I guess. The key is to keep the conversation going and take action whenever we can.
Exactly, Usmani. Every small step counts. If we all work together, we can create a society where everyone, regardless of gender, can thrive.
Well said. Afra, let's do our part to support and promote women empowerment.
Absolutely. Thanks for bringing this up, Usmani. It's always good to have a meaningful conversation like this.
Anytime, let's continue to inspire change.
Agreed. Thank you.